Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some elegant, easy and elegant Christmas decor. So what you're going to need, you'll need some of this silver diamond chain. It is from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree, you will need one pack of these mini candy dishes in silver. And also I have some of this gold tape. It is from Amazon, so you'll need that as well. I will be using hot glue on this project, but if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I decide to use additional items or even alternate items, I will have those listed in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started.